Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the top 5 new gaming keyboards of 2024. With advancements in technology and keyboards, this year brings some new and exciting innovations to keyboards to enhance your gaming experience. So let's explore the best options available to elevate your gaming experience. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. The first gaming keyboard on our list is the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. The Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro features Razer's latest optical switches for ultra-fast responsive times and durability. It features the Chroma RGB lighting, programmable macro keys, a detachable wrist rest, and advanced anti-ghosting. It's ideal for competitive gamers looking for precise and speedy keys with robust software customization options. Second keyboard on our list is the Corsair K70 RGB Pro XT. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro XT offers a redefined design with Cherry MXP switches for lightning fast response. It features a dynamic per-key RGB lighting, durable aluminum frame, a dedicated media control, and a detachable USB Type-C cable. It's perfect for gamers seeking for high-performance keyboard with premium build quality and extensive customization. The third keyboard on our list is the Logitech G915 TKL Lightspeed 2024 edition. The Logitech G915 TKL Lightspeed 2024 edition is an ultra-thin mechanical keyboard featuring low-profile GL switches. It features a LightSync RGB technology, 5 programmable G keys, USB pass-through, and a sleek aluminum top case. It's an excellent choice for those gamers who need a slim, stylish keyboard with reliable performance and customization. The fourth keyboard on our list is the SteelSeries Apex 9 TKL. The SteelSeries Apex 9 TKL features OptiPoint switches for fast and precise actions designed for competitive games. It features a adjustable actuation points, OLED smart display, per-key RGB lighting, and 10 keyless design for more desk space. It's known for its versatility and customization. This keyboard is great for both gaming and productivity. And last but not least, we have the Asus ROG Azoth. The Asus ROG Azoth features ROG NX mechanical switches and customizable OLED display for on-the-fly information. It features 3-mode connectivity, that means wired, Bluetooth or RF, hot swappable switches, PBT keycaps, and per-key RGB lighting. It's ideal for gamers who want a feature-packed keyboard with excellent connectivity options and high-quality draw. In conclusion, these top 5 gaming keyboards for 2024 offer a range of options to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for an ultra-fast responsive times, wireless freedom, or extensive customization options, these keyboards are designed to enhance your gaming experience. Well, that's it for this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. See you next time, and bye!